If someone told you that you could create an e-commerce empire with no money, no prior experience, and no inventory, would you think they were crazy? What if instead of telling you, they show you exactly how, step by step, they built a dropshipping business from nothing to $1,073,775 in just 87 days? What if they then showed you how their students replicated those results and used the same blueprint to create their own Shopify dropshipping empires using the exact same formula? What if you could do the same? No money up front, no inventory cost, no prior experience. Step by step, how to build a fully functional e-commerce business utilizing the scale and power of the Shopify and dropshipping business model. With so many quitting their jobs, traveling the world, living the digital nomad lifestyle, do you have what it takes to fire your boss? Limited space available. Join the working era of you.